Now, for those of you following along in our textbook, we're on page 48, example 6, and I want to show you how to construct an OGIVE, otherwise known as a cumulative frequency graph. Now, an OGIVE, O-G-I-V-E, also needs a vertical axis and a horizontal axis. It is similar to a histogram in the respect that it uses class boundaries. On its x-axis. It will use cumulative frequency on its vertical axis, making it different than the previous two graphs. Now, if we're going to use class boundaries, let's start with the lower class boundary of the first class. Okay? So that would be 99.5. The next one would be 104.5. Next one would be 109.5. 114.5. 119.5. 124.5, 9.5, and 134.5. Now, since the cumulative frequency goes up as high as 50, we're not going to want to go by 2s. That'll create way too much. So a rule of thumb would be take your maximum cumulative frequency, divide it by 10, and see what it's close to. Since 50 divided by 10 is 5, it would suggest you go by 5s. Could you go by 10s? Yeah, but then you'd only have 5 tick marks, and it's going to make it more difficult to estimate heights. Okay, so try to keep your scale as small as possible to make it easier for you to plot your heights. So let's go by 5s. Okay, so this would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Now, you're going to be